real mess on this table.
Yeah.
Look at my hands. They're literally like orange.
What
if it stays like that, you guys? So I think mine came out very fluffy and sticky. But it came out awesome and stretchable. So yeah.
I think mine's came out perfect. Like, look at this. It's very stretchy. It has like 3 different types of colored stars.
Mine has like 15 different types of colored stars.
Slime's pretty good, but I think I had some technical difficulties.
I'm gonna make a cupcake. So this is the shaving cream cap, but I don't care. I'm just gonna make a cupcake because yeah, cupcakes are delicious.
You guys, I'm gonna be feeding my baby brother baby food.
Some baby food.
This is slime.
Okay, guys. So
Eli.
I finished shaping the cupcake, and I'm gonna add some glitter. I feel like white stars. How do you open this? This way? Oh, yep, got it.
There's yellow on it.
White stars. Add the white stars.
Blue stars.
Maybe
I might add some
some
yellow.
yellow. I think this is yellow and orange, so
Never mind.
it's yellow and orange hearts. Very. It's a. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and click that notification bell. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to be making slime with our older brother Eli. So
Hey guys.
started. First, I'm gonna pour some of it. That's awesome. How did it work? I don't care.
Okay.
And now we're going to be adding some shaving cream. So,
We are?
yeah, that's what it is. How do you open this?
Oh,
Wait.
ask Eli.
I did it!
I tried.
I think that's enough. Riley.
I'm gonna start mixing
It's
it.
like whipped cream. I might eat it.
Ew, you
Just kidding.
sicko. This already feels so much
You're mixing
fluffy.
it with red.
The spoon. I feel like it's gonna be too much shaving foam, but really, I don't care because I like fluffy slime.
I
So-
do too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fluffy slime
Next,
melts
we're going to
so
be adding some food dye.
we are.
I'm gonna add. Could you give me the red? A little bit of yellow because I like having it. It's so bright.
Color.
It looks orange. I added too much. Okay. Look at that! Look how beautiful that
Look
color
at this
is.
red. I'm gonna add some yellow too.
Oh, that's awesome. I'm on some shaving foam.
Okay. So I'm gonna add a little bit of yellow to it.
That's awesome!
And it's gonna turn orange as you guys.
It's gonna be so fluffy. I love fluffy slime, you guys. You guys, after this, I'm just gonna pour some activator in.
It's gonna turn orange. And yeah.
I think I need more shaving.
Shaving cream. I know you're
What?
Look at ours, Riley.
Okay, yeah.
What?
You
You don't want fluffy slime?
I do, but
I need a
Okay, I'm gonna add some of this in now.
The
Then my ultimate slime is complete. Here, can I get
What?
some?
Can you pour it in for me?
Okay,
More
guys,
red,
I'm
right?
gonna be.
Right, more red.
What? Tell Riley to. I'm gonna be adding some activator.
and I'm gonna be adding some more glue.
Look at how fluffy that looks.
Look at how weird this looks.
Awesome! It feels so awesome. I just gotta mix this one. You guys, look at this. It's so awesome.
I think I need more shaving cream. Or more glue, I don't know. Could you pass me the activator?
This doesn't feel fluffy.
Can I get some activator?
I need more glue.
Riley, that's alright.
It's cool.
So
Here. Look at this. It's so awesome, you guys. But
I
it
usually
doesn't
put
stretch
two
much.
scoops.
I'm gonna add more shaving foam.
You guys, and I think it's turning into slime. It's turning into slime, you guys. I think I need more shaving foam because
I don't
mine
like this slime.
is not
It's
good.
bad.
That's why I only add a little. Okay.
I think
Time
I
to
added
mix.
too much activator. You guys, look at this.
Look at mine's. Mine's isn't fluffy. I really wanted mine's to turn out fluffy, but it's really not. Look at you guys.
You guys, this is so awesome. I love making slime.
You guys.
I think I'm gonna
look
start.
at
It
this.
hardly even stretches. Could we make more after this?
I can't even add any of those in because it doesn't stretch. I can't add
That's a
more
lot.
to mine.
I need more shaving.
Look at my hands.
Where? Just on top.
Look at that, you guys. I just
Look
added.
at my hands. I'll wrap them together and the glue will turn this.
I've been making slime, but I never used. I've used shaving cream before, but I never added
Can I
that.
get more?
Ever.
Can someone add more shaving cream?
But this is feeling more like slime, so.
Okay.
Eli, you need. Did you even add activator?
Yeah.
I need more activator.
You need more, Eli.
Oh.
I need
Can you
more
give me more?
activator. Look at that. That's so fluffy and sticky.
Hold on,
But I love
right
sticky,
here.
sticky slime, so I don't care.
I'm just gonna.
I'm just gonna put it in the bowl. Look at my hands. It's so messy.
Okay. It asked me to. Oh my gosh, mine looks like plastic.
Look at them. It's so awesome. Could somebody open this for me?
Sure.
Girl, your hands aren't even dirty.
Can I get more shaving cream?
It's stretching out. I think all I
Right, can
need
you add
is
more shaving cream
add
to it?
Riley. Riley. Riley, I got you the yellow stars.
Thank you.
slime.
I got you
pour
the-
all of it in. Not everywhere like that. Sorry.
I'm gonna be using the pink stars.
You guys, I'm gonna pour. I'm gonna put unicorns in it, but not all of them. Probably like 2.
I know that doesn't go very well, but it works
I
out.
can't
like
open them. My hands are so slippery. I'm not even gonna add that.
that. Should I mix it with my
I just-
hands now?
Fluffy. I wish you guys could feel it. It would be so awesome if you guys
And
could.
my spoon is.
I'm gonna add some unicorns. They're gonna be so cute.
Look at
So
my
cute.
slime. It turned out as a major
Look at this
disruption.
one.
But I like it. I
Look.
love slime. I wish it could turn out like my sister's. Yeah, because she put a lot of shaving foam in it. Just like I need.
You know I love my slime.
Riley, could you put a little shaving foam? Because I
You
didn't
guys-
add enough.
Look how cute that
I didn't add
is.
enough shaving foam. I didn't add enough
Now?
shaving foam, Riley. Mom, could you? Here you go.
Girl, you need to mix it with your spoon before you start mixing with your hands.
Hey, well, I'm sorry I was until
Oh my god, my shirt's dirty. I don't care, just
my
it'll get
spoon
washed.
dropped into it. Look at my spoon. It's a nice color though, right, you guys?
He layered spoons in here.
It's a nice color though, right?
Oh, I think
my slime's actually turning out fluffy. If I keep on mixing with my hands.
What's even this? Is that the
Calculators?
extra? You added so much glue.
This is so good. This is so.
Guys, look at
One
my
of the
slime.
unicorns.
I'm starting
free.
to like it.
I'm free, you guys. Now I
But-
can run away.
This is the extra.
Now I can. You're stuck.
Get out, Spoon.
I'm gonna put some
The
of these.
unicorns
Eli,
tried to escape.
Oh, yeah.
how
Red
your
glitter.
slime turn out orange?
I'm gonna add some
Or red?
red shape.
Eli, could you put a little more shaving foam in it?
I don't.
I know I've put a lot of
Some
shaving foam,
red
but Eli, could you
dye,
pass
not
me the shaving foam?
Look at all
And I'm
that.
not going to put it in because look at my hand.
You guys, look what happened.
Oh my god.
Look at my hands.
Yikes. Eli, didn't I say? And could you pour it in?
What?
The
Now my
shaving
slime
foam.
looks so pretty.
Yeah. We should
Look
use
at
that
this.
real quick.
They're together.
Eli's slime looks like putty. Literally, putty.
I'm gonna have to wash my hands good when we're done with the video of this.
Yeah. Eli, could you put more shaving foam in it? Like in here.
Look at this slime.
Eli, could you put more shaving foam in this?
Why?
Eli.
I liked it when it was yellow. You can still see some yellow when you.
I
You
know
guys, this
you
looks
guys,
so
I put a
cool.
lot of shaving
You
foam.
could see some streaks of yellow.
Uh-huh. You really could do that to yours, but not mine.
A little bit of mine. Only a little bit. Stop.
Yeah.
Because when you add shaving foam, like if it's a light color, then this wasn't light, but it'll turn into like an orangey yellowish color when you add white into any of your colors.
Oh, my slime is
It'll
pretty
turn
white.
white.
It looks so nice.
Look, you guys. She dropped her spoon.
My spoon dropped
In
by
there.
itself.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. My
And I
slime is
asked
done
you guys
before you guys. This
Look
one is
at
so
my
stretchy.
slime. It's orange.
Mine is dark orange.
Oh no.
Compare, mine's is the darkest orange. Eli's the second darkest. Riel's the lightest.
Mine is the brightest. Whose is the brightest, though?
I found a unicorn.
Right, can I get the red food coloring?
I need red in mine's, too.
Why does this look like black and that looks like red?
I know, right? That's what I said.
You
That's
guys,
what I said.
Tell me
wow,
which
that
one
red
looks more like red. This one?
or that
or
one.
that
Eli,
one.
could you put a little more red in here?
When you pour it out, it looks like the color.
Okay. You're gonna see who's the darkest now. You're gonna see whose is the darkest and the brightest now, right?
Okay, guys, I think that my slime is done. So, I'm just gonna start playing with it. Isn't that so stretchy and so fluffy?
They don't know.
Feel my slime.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
You guys, it's actually pretty nice though. Feels like dry paint.
Excuse me, I need to put the shaving foam right here. And then just squeeze it in.
Let me put this. That's awesome. Feel real slime. It feels so.
Eli, stop.
Oh.
Mine feels so
Let me
fluffy.
mix it.
Look.
Oh, I said
Feel
stop.
But
Guys.
if Eli's is dark
How did you
and it
guys
gets
so
in
good? Did you guys put a lot of
because
shaving?
me and Riel are
Oh, I
experts.
should have never did that.
Oh my god.
Mine's,
Wait, no.
it's not turning out a disaster